Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Chairman and CEO of Playa Hotels and Resorts, Bruce Wardinsky, says there are plans to transform Hilton Rose Hall Resort and Spa. This will be done before it is added to the Playa Hilton all-inclusive portfolio. Mr. Wardinsky did not put a price on the cost of the project, but said it would be a multi-million-dollar initiative. He said construction will include a multi-phase plan that will involve a preferred guest wing at the hotel and a new adult-only section. Hilton and Playa Hotels and Resorts have plans to open 8 additional all-inclusive resorts by 2025. IBEX is expanding in Jamaica. IBEX CEO Bob DeChant says by the end of this month, the company will open another center with 750 seats in New Kingston. The company announced that it has secured a new blue-chip client in the logistics and the transportation industry. Mr. DeChant noted that Jamaica has been slow in creating world-class BPO centers that rival those in the Philippines, but said that gap is now closing fast. And we go down to currency trading as the US dollar ended the day selling for $135.95. The Canadian dollar closed at $106.26. The pound is going for $177.90. The euro ended the day selling for $160.09 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in November went up by $1.03 to settle at $72.25 a barrel. The JSE index lost 2,158 points today, while the junior market index gained 71 points. Among the winners, Blue Power, Caribbean Producers, Derrimon Trading, Express Catering, General Accident Insurance, Jamaica Producers, and KLE Group. Now on the losing side were 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Cargo Handlers, Dolphin Cove, Elite Diagnostic, and Grace Kennedy. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.